Hi, good morning. In this video, I'll be demonstrating with Volkswagen Scirocco, and most time we all get some notification on our dashboard pertaining our engine oil level, and no matter how hard we try to fix it, or maybe we try to add more and more oil, it's still the notifications are still there. So I want to show you a quick way to fix the problem, especially by changing the engine oil level sensor over there. So as you can see, I already removed the oil pan of this engine, and it's something pretty easy to do. You don't need to remove the oil pan in this situation. I removed the oil pan for a different reason. So this is the engine oil level sensor. In most cars, it's just in the under the oil pan. So all you gotta do is just to remove these three bolts here, and then you pull it out. Okay, this gives the signal to your ECU, which in turn gives you displays on your dashboard that your engine oil is low or is normal or whatever the level is. So this is the engine oil level sensor. Specifically, I'm demonstrating with a Volkswagen Scirocco. So in most cars, Toyotas, Nissan, it's also same, almost same. You're gonna find it in same location. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe too.